Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. If you're planning on doing any SharePoint page editing, you're going to want to know about comments, likes and views and how they can help you create great pages. And just before we get started, if you like this video and you want to learn more about SharePoint, check out our SharePoint Champion course over at our school. The course has hours of video tutorials plus quizzes and how-to guides. You'll get 10% off when you buy the course and use the offer code YouTube. Check out the description for more details. Comments, likes and views are all about feedback for your page. So if you've created some content and you want to know how it's been used, if it's useful or not, then you can have a comment section at the end of the page. Now comments are switched on every page by default. You can switch them off if you want. So you do that by editing the page, scrolling down to the bottom, and then you can toggle the comments on and off here. So if you don't want any comments, you just switch it off. So you can see on this page, there's a couple of comments been added already. Matt's added something and we can like and unlike comments. So I've liked this one, but I can unlike it if I want. The likes are recorded just above the comment section where it says how many likes. So if you get a lot of likes, you know your content's useful. It shows you how many comments you have and how many views you've had. Also in the comment section you can see that Megan has written a comment and she's @mentioned Alex Wilbur. When you @mention someone, it gives them presence, so you can roll over with your mouse and see the contact card for Alex Wilbur or whoever's been mentioned. But it also notifies the person that was mentioned. Let's switch browsers now and we'll have a look at what Alex sees when someone @mentions him in a comment. So here I am logged in as Alex now, and I'm in his Outlook. And you can see because Megan @mentioned him in a comment, he gets this email that says Megan Bowen mentioned you in this Training Central page. Here's the comment. And to open up the page to see what it's all about, I can just hit the open button and that will take me directly to the page. And if I hadn't seen it before, I can go through it. I can reply to Megan's comment as well. So I hit reply. I can say, thanks Megan, I will. And then I post that reply. And now Megan will have a similar email in her inbox telling her that Alex replied. Alex can also do things like liking her comment and so on. And as you can see at the top here, these are being incremented. Now because Alex isn't the owner of the page, he doesn't see the views. He only sees what comments and likes have been added here. Comments, likes and views are just simple ways to get feedback on how well your content is being received. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please check out our SharePoint Champion course over at our school at school.collaboration.coach.